Yo, what is up everybody? So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to get Minecraft Pocket Edition for completely free on both iOS and Android, guys. This is actually the best method out there because it literally takes a couple minutes to set up. You get the full Minecraft Pocket Edition game for free, and also you're going to be able to get any other paid app or game for free as well if you're interested in that. And the coolest thing about this is no jailbreak is required, and the app will never get revoked. So once you've got it on your phone set up, you will never lose it. So let's go ahead now and actually show you the full tutorial, but before we do get started really quick, just leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. But anyways, the way we're going to be doing this is by using the app called App Store++, which is basically like a modded version of the current App Store that we have on our phones for for Android and iOS devices. And the way it works is pretty insane. So you open it up, and as you guys can see, we're over here, right? Now we're going to go over here to games, and as you guys can see, Minecraft is literally $0. Check that out, guys. Absolutely insane stuff. Instead of it saying like $6.99, it actually just says $0. And all you got to do is just tap on the app, and then you'll be able to go ahead and buy it, guys. Minecraft PE is already installed. As you guys can see, I do have it already. But yeah, this is the easiest way to actually get the full game for free, guys. Like, you literally don't have to pay any money. There's no jailbreak required at all. And it's by far the easiest way to do this. So I'm going to show you all. Enough of the chit chat. I'm now going to show you all exactly how to install this app onto your iOS or Android device, the App Store++. And by the way, you're going to be able to get any other paid app or game for free with this. So, Procreate Pocket, Balloons TD6, all of it will be able to get for free. So now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install the app. So first thing we have to go ahead and do is make sure that our device is ready for the install. And what I mean by that is we just got to go ahead and change some settings really quick on both our iOS and Android device. So if you're on iOS, go ahead and open up the settings app. And then you guys are going to want to look for the setting that says, you're going to want to look for the one that says battery. Then once you're in battery, you're going to go ahead and tap on it. And then you guys are just going to want to go ahead and look for the low power mode and make sure that you guys have that off. Then once you guys have done that, you're now going to want to look for the setting that says general. So as you can see, I found it right here, general. Then in general, you guys are going to want to look for the background app refresh. Go ahead and tap on it, and all you guys are going to want to do is just make sure that you have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like how I have it right here. Then once you guys have done that, we're pretty much good to go on the iOS devices. Now if you're on Android, we also got to go ahead and change some settings really quick. So open up the settings app on your Android device, and then you guys are going to want to look for the setting that says battery. Alright, so right now we're in battery, and then you guys are going to want to look for the battery saver. And just go ahead and make sure that you have this setting turned off, just like how I have it here. And then you guys are going to want to look for the adaptive battery and make sure you have that off as well. Now, not all Android devices have the exact same settings that I just showed you guys. So if that's the case for your phone and you can't find these settings on your Android device, you could actually just skip this step instead of having to do it. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to install the App Store++, app onto your device so you can get the Minecraft Pocket Edition app for free, guys. So this is a tweaked app, so we're not going to be able to install it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So to actually get it, guys, you're going to want to go over to this website called appzilla.vip. So just simply type the website in right into the search bar on your phone. Once again, that is appzilla.vip. And then once you guys are on the site, you're going to want to come over here to the search bar and just simply type in App Store. And there it is, App Store++, free paid apps and more. So once you've located the app, go ahead and tap on it. Then you're going to see the button that says Start Install or whatever. Just go ahead and tap on that. And now all we got to do is just give this about like 10 to 20 seconds, and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the install of the app. But just make sure that you guys keep on watching until the very end of the video, as there is like one last step that we have to do that is super important. So make sure that you guys keep on watching. And yeah, we're about to finish loading here, so give it a second, and then I'll show you guys what we have to do next. Alright, so here's the final part of the download, guys. It's finally going to load up and say, please follow and complete the instructions of all the offers below to finish the download process. So we're now going to see a bunch of apps here, and all we got to do is complete every single one of the apps. And once you do them all, then the App Store++ will install, and you'll now be able to get yourselves the Minecraft Pocket Edition game for free. So let's get started, alright? So you simply tap on an app, read the instructions of the app, and then click Get Started. And make sure that you guys fully read the instructions of each app, because if you don't do exactly as it says, then this will not work. But this app is saying like download and install it, and then run it for 30 seconds. So pretty simple stuff for the first app. Then the second app, we're going to head back and do another one really quick. But I'm not going to do all of them. I don't want to make this video like very long, by the way. But let's just go over here and like tap on it. And as you guys can see, we're now running a second app. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. Just make sure you guys do them all and you'll be good to go. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. But that is how you get Minecraft PE for free. Enjoy the game, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.